Whether you're going on a long road trip or just your daily commute, being prepared for emergencies is essential. An emergency bag for your car can be a lifesaver. Today, we'll cover the must-have supplies you need to be ready for any unexpected situation while on the road. First, start with the basics: water, non-perishable snacks, and a first aid kit. These are the core essentials for any car emergency bag, ensuring you can stay hydrated, fed, and safe in case of minor injuries. Don't forget crucial tools like a flashlight, multi-tool, and jumper cables. A flashlight is essential for visibility in dark conditions, while a multi-tool can come in handy for small repairs or unexpected situations. Cold weather can make car breakdowns dangerous. Pack a thermal blanket and extra layers of warm clothes to stay protected from the elements, especially during winter trips. Finally, ensure everything is packed in a durable, waterproof bag that fits easily in your car's trunk. Having it organized and accessible can make all the difference in an emergency. Being prepared with an emergency car bag ensures you can handle whatever comes your way on the road. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.